Welcome, seekers of the eternal, to a sacred journey into the heart of Chapter 4 of the Tao Te Ching, a timeless echo from the soul of Lao Tzu that reverberates like a gentle breeze through the ancient trees. Imagine standing beneath a vast, starlit sky, where every twinkling light whispers of an infinite source, and every silence invites you to surrender. This is no fleeting moment. This is your call to embrace the boundless, to step into the luminous mystery that Lao Tzu unveils today. For over 2 millennia, these words have beckoned the restless, the curious, the yearning. Will you heed the call? Join me now as we explore the profound wisdom of Chapter 4, a 15-minute odyssey into the infinite, the empty, and the eternal power within. Subscribe to Lotuspa Speaks, where the ancient meets the everlasting, and let this journey awaken your spirit. Breathe deeply, dear friends, for we stand at the edge of a truth that transcends the ordinary mind. Lao Tzu speaks to us from a world fractured by the warring states, a time of strife and division, yet he offers a radiant solution. The Tao is a vessel of all creation. He begins, the Tao is empty, yet in use it is inexhaustible. Picture an empty cup, simple and unadorned, yet capable of holding the sweetest water or the finest wine. This emptiness is not a void, but a fullness, a source that never runs dry. Lao Tzu invites us to see the Tao as this eternal wellspring, a spiritual force that sustains all life without ever being depleted. This is no abstract notion, but a call to trust in the unseen, to find strength in what appears to be nothing. Let your heart open as we journey further. It is like the abyss, formless, yet the origin of all forms. Consider the depths of the ocean, unseen yet giving birth to waves, currents, and life. The Tao, in its formless essence, is the womb of the universe, the silent beginning from which heaven, earth, and all that dwells between emerge. This is the logic of the divine, a paradox that defies our need to grasp. Lao Tzu urges us to release our obsession with shapes and definitions, to rest in the mystery that cradles creation. Imagine a potter's hands shaping clay, yet the clay itself remains formless until touched. Such is the Tao, ever present, ever creative, beyond our control. Pause with me, and let this wisdom flow into your soul. Blunted, it seems to exist yet never wears out. This line paints a picture of a tool dulled by time, yet still effective, still enduring. The Tao, though soft and unassuming, holds an unbreakable strength. It is not the sharp edge that cuts, but the gentle current that shapes mountains. In our lives, we often seek the bold, the aggressive, the loud, but Lao Tzu teaches that true power lies in subtlety, in the quiet persistence of the spirit. Picture a river carving a canyon over centuries, its strength hidden in its gentleness. This is the Tao's gift, a resilience that outlasts all striving. Now, feel the rhythm of this teaching as it guides us deeper. It seems to have existed before the Lords. Here, Lao Tzu lifts the Tao above time, above rulers, above human constructs. It is the primal force, the source that predates kings and empires, a witness to eternity. This is not just history. It is a spiritual anchor, reminding us that the Tao flows through all ages, all cultures, all moments. Think of the oldest tree you've ever seen, its roots reaching into the earth's memory. Such is the Tao, eternal and unchanging, yet ever present in our breath, our heartbeat, our silence. Let us now embrace the practical beauty of this wisdom. In a world of relentless ambition and noise, Lao Tzu offers a path to stillness. Begin each day by sitting in quiet, letting the mind empty like the Tao's abyss. Trusting that clarity will arise. Act with gentleness, not force, and watch how obstacles dissolve. When faced with conflict, yield like the blunted tool, allowing harmony to emerge naturally. This is the art of Wu Wei, the effortless flow with the Tao. Like a bird gliding on the wind, arriving without effort. Each step you take in this way is a meditation, a return to the source of all peace. As we journey inward, consider the deeper mystery. From it, all things arise, and I reduce them to their root, to let them develop of their own accord. The Tao is the mother of creation, birthing the 10,000 things. Yet it does not cling or control. Lao Tzu suggests we emulate this. Nurture without possessing, guide without dominating. Imagine a parent watching a child grow, offering love, but not shaping every step. Such is the sage's way. This is the logic of the soul. To release our need to manipulate, to trust the natural unfolding of life, and in that trust, to find liberation. Now, let your spirit rise with this vision. The Tao's emptiness is its fullness, its formlessness, its power. In our age of constant production and consumption, Lao Tzu calls us back to simplicity. Be still, he whispers, and let the world renew itself through you. This is the ultimate gift, a life unburdened by excess, a heart aligned with the eternal. Picture a clear stream, its waters pure because it does not hoard, such as you, when you live with the Tao's grace, empty yet abundant. As we near the end of this sacred 15 minutes, feel the depth of these words settle into your essence. Chapter 4 is a beacon for the seeking heart, a guide for the soul lost in the material. It teaches us that true strength lies in emptiness, true creation in surrender, true wisdom in the timeless. Carry this light into your day. Let it guide your actions, calm your spirit, and open your eyes to the infinite within. Subscribe to Lotus Boo Speaks, where every video is a step toward the eternal. And join a community of souls awakening to the Tao. May you walk this path with peace. And may the eternal flow of Lao Tzu's teachings illuminate your every step.